Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download PyCharm community version. So for downloading that, you have to open any web browser. Now here on the web browser, search for the PyCharm download. So here you can see it is the website of JetBrains. Download PyCharm. Click on this. So now cut this, and here is an option download. Click on this to download PyCharm on your computer. So here you can see downloading has been started, and it is of 903 MBs. Will take a few minutes according to your internet speed. So let's wait till the installation ends, and then I will show you how can you install PyCharm on your computer. So now here you can see PyCharm has been downloaded. Now double click it to launch the installer, and just wait till the installer is launching. It can take a few seconds according to your PC configuration. So now here you can see it is verifying the installer. So if any pop-up shows on your screen, click on yes and then wait. The installer will launch in few seconds. So now here you can see the installer has been launched. Now click on next. So if you want to change the installation location, you can change from here. So I will let it be the same. Then click on next. So now tick mark this, and then tick mark this too. Then again click on next. Then click on install to start the installing of the PyCharm community version. So now here you can see the installation has been started. It can take a few seconds, again according to your PC configuration. So let's wait till the installation ends. So now here you can see the installation has been completed. It can take up to 5 minutes to complete according to your PC configuration. So after the installation, click on the finish button. Press on the window key and then search here for PyCharm. So here you can see PyCharm is showing. Now click on open to launch it. So just wait till the PyCharm launches. So here you can see it is showing PyCharm 2026. So just wait till this opens. So if any pop-up shows, click on allow. So now here you can see PyCharm has been launched. Now click on escape and just wait till this is loading. So now here you can see it is showing welcome to PyCharm. Now you can create a new project or clone a repository from the GitHub. So this is how you can install PyCharm on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.